Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Tandem for improving conversational skills. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Tandem, first, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new account. You can sign up using your email or social media accounts. After registering, complete your profile by adding your native language and the language you want to learn. Include a brief bio that describes your interests and learning goals. Next, set your availability for language exchanges. This helps potential partners know when you're free to chat. Now, use the search feature to find language partners. Filter results by the language you want to practice and other preferences. Once you find someone you're interested in, send a message to introduce yourself. Be friendly and mention shared interests to break the ice. After a response, you can agree on a time to chat. Choose between text, voice, or video calls for your conversations. During your chats, try to speak in the language you're learning. Don't hesitate to ask your partner for clarification if you don't understand something. You can also offer corrections to help them with your native language. Remember to take notes during conversations for vocabulary you want to remember. Schedule regular practice sessions to maintain consistency. Finally, explore the app's features like group chats and language challenges for additional practice. By following these steps, you'll improve your conversational skills in no time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.